541 runs in 6 matches, a batting average of 67.62. We saw a lot of him and we continue seeing a lot of him. Here was Sachin Tendulkar. Did you think 50, hundreds? I mean, do you sometimes look back and say, did I really do all this?
See, to be honest, grew up thinking about getting to 34 figure because that's how we were brought up. Right from the day I started playing cricket with the season ball and decided that, okay, this is going to be my life. This is how I want to be. And the goal is to play for India. But what does one do once you get there? That's when everyone started talking about only one goal, which was 34 test hundreds. And if you can get to 34, then you have done something remarkable.
With its mix of experience in youth, style and power, India seems to now have the batting ammunition to demolish any attack in the world. And one man has been leading the way from the top. He had a phenomenal year in 2009. 6 matches, 630 runs at an average of 70.
आई थिंक मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इतनी जल्दी रन बना पाऊंगा, क्योंकि मैं खेल रहा था और मुझे याद है कि दूसरे एंड पे जब राहुल ने मुझे ज्वाइन किया तो वो कह रहा था कि अगर आप आज का दिन निकाल दे तो मे भी एक और हिस्ट्री बन सकती है कल, बट ऐसा हुआ नहीं। तो मैं सोच रहा था कि मैंने उसी दिन क्यों नहीं 300 रन बना लिए, क्योंकि जस्ट मैं 16 रन दूर था और 3-4 ओवर बचे हुए थे, तो एक ही ओवर चाहिए था मुझे 300 रन के लिए।
आप लैंडमार्क्स के बारे में सोचते हो या लैंडमार्क्स बन जाते हैं, रिकॉर्ड्स बनते हैं, या आप सोचते हो उनके बारे में?
अगर मैं सोचता तो शायद बनते नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत लोग सोचते हैं लैंडमार्क के बारे में और वो नहीं बना पाते। मैं सोचता नहीं, वो अपने आप बन जाते।
It's something that it's given me a lot of pleasure. It's given me. It's one thing that I do, and it's one thing that we do that you share in somebody else's success. And I think that's a great thing about taking a good catch, a really good catch, is that not only do you get to share in someone else's success, a bowler gets a reward for that, but also you get to celebrate it with the team straight away. You can score 100, and you share it, you celebrate that with your teammate, and you've got to wait to come back to the dressing room. But you take a good catch, or we take a wicket, and everyone comes together. So it brings some great memories.
Put your hands together, Yusuf Pathan. बॉलर जब आपको बॉलिंग करने आता है, आप ऐसे उसको देख के हंसते नहीं है जैसे आप हंस रहे हैं आप?
ये मुश्किल काम नहीं है ना, ये बहुत मुश्किल काम है बोलना।
For a very special person, we've seen him on stage already, someone from the city of Mumbai. Can I call Sujit Vaidya, Director of Finance, to give away that award? And while he's coming on stage, just imagine what it must be to score a test 100, and then imagine doing it 50 times. 50 test 100, the mind boggles. Sachin Tendulkar will receive a special award for 50 test hundreds.